Why did I hire the law office of Will M. Helixson? His motto says it all: warrior advocate. We were looking for someone that would advocate for our family in one of the worst situations that we have ever found ourselves in. That situation is sexual assault on a minor. Who was the warrior advocate that worked on our case? Will M. Helixson was our warrior advocate. How did Will communicate with us through the entire process of the court-martial? Will communicated with us more through the court-martial process than through the initial investigation. From the minute charges were prepared, we knew exactly what was going on, step by step, moment by moment. He let us know by message, email, phone call, kept us fully prepared the whole time. How has Will's efforts affected our life? Well, we have a lawyer, an attorney, for the rest of our life. And when we refer to Will and his team, we have an advocate, a warrior advocate that we know will stand by us. Hopefully not in any situations for us, but if anything ever arises in someone else's life, they're going to know about Will. Should someone contact the law office of Will M. Helixson if they are facing charges? Absolutely. Contact them yesterday.